Hello traders, welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips, where I share effective trading advice and strategies to assist you in becoming a successful trader. Today I'm going to share a simple and accurate Forex trading indicator. It will show you everything you need to know on the chart, like where to trade, where to set your stop loss, and where to take profits. This indicator is great for beginners, so let's go over the trading rules. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to get more helpful videos in the future. When the price breaks out of the box on the chart and hits the red sell zone below, you should take a sell trade right away. Set your stop loss on the line above the box and use the take profit indicator to set your first profit target. For profit targets 2 and 3, you can decide based on your risk-reward ratio, but I recommend taking profit at level 1 and then looking for another trade setup. For buying, when the price breaks out of the box and hits the blue buy zone above, take a buy trade immediately. Set your stop loss on the line below the box and set your first profit target using the take profit indicator. This indicator works best on candle time frames of 15 minutes and above. Avoid trading during news releases to steer clear of market volatility. This indicator works well in all market sessions. I hope you have understood these trading rules. If not, don't worry. We'll do a live trade here to help you learn. We request you to watch the complete video to better understand the trading process. You can download this MT4 indicator setup for free. The link is in the video description. Here, the price has break out of the box and touched the red sell zone. Let's quickly place a sell order and set the stop loss and take profit levels as indicated. Now let's see if this trade results in a loss or a profit. We've won this trade as well. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and helps me continue to produce high-quality content for you. And don't forget to share this video with your trading community. So keep learning, keep growing, and always remember that the power to succeed is in your hands. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.